Phantom Wallet failed to authenticate. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So the issue failed to authenticate is very common in Phantom Wallet, especially if they forgot or they have not yet updated their device or rather their application. So simply to double check, visit your Google Play Store or your App Store and ensure that your Phantom Wallet is up to date. Everything that you have or any updates that are currently occurring, it should be installed and updated on your device. Aside from that, you could also check out their app info over here, and what you could try and check out is the connection method over here. Ensure that it has connectivity on any of these options, and of course the typical connect to a really good internet, or make sure that you have a reliable internet connection when you're trying to connect or you're trying to authenticate. You could also try and clear your cache over here, which basically what it will do is it will open, or the next time you open the app, it will open as if it's the first time you have opened the app ever. So those are the different ways that you could try and do. Also, don't forget to try reinstalling as well as a typical solution. But anyway, that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.